Some of the most important scientific discoveries in history weren't the result of genius plans or perfectly designed experiments. They happened because something went wrong. A mistake was made, a test failed, or a scientist wasn't even looking for the thing they ended up finding. In fact, if everything had gone according to plan, these discoveries might never have happened at all. Science is often portrayed as careful, methodical, and precise, and most of the time, it is. But every so often, progress takes a very different path. Sometimes a broken experiment leads to a breakthrough. Sometimes curiosity turns an accident into a revolution. And sometimes pure chance changes the course of human history. Today, we're counting down 10 scientific discoveries that were made completely by accident and ended up changing the world forever. Number 10. Microwave cooking. In the 1940s, engineer Percy Spencer was working on radar technology when he noticed something strange. A chocolate bar in his pocket had melted. Instead of ignoring it, he tested popcorn kernels near the equipment, which immediately began popping. That unexpected moment led to the development of the microwave oven, forever changing how food is prepared around the world. Number 9. Penicillin. Alexander Fleming wasn't searching for a miracle drug when he left bacteria samples unattended before going on vacation. When he returned, he noticed mold growing in one dish, and the bacteria around it had vanished. That contamination turned out to be penicillin, the first true antibiotic, saving millions of lives and transforming modern medicine. Number 8. X-rays. While experimenting with cathode rays in 1895, Wilhelm Röntgen noticed a fluorescent screen glowing across the room, even though it wasn't directly exposed. He realized an invisible form of radiation was passing through objects, including human tissue. This accidental observation led to the discovery of X-rays, revolutionizing medical diagnostics and scientific imaging. Number 7. Teflon. Chemist Roy Plunkett was attempting to develop a new refrigerant when a gas he stored unexpectedly solidified into a white, waxy substance. Instead of reacting chemically, it resisted heat, friction, and corrosion. That accident produced Teflon, now used in non-stick cookware, medical devices, and even spacecraft components. Number 6. The pacemaker. An engineer working on a device to record heart rhythms accidentally built a circuit that emitted electrical pulses instead of recording them. When tested, the pulses caused a heartbeat to regulate itself. This unintended result led to the development of the pacemaker, a life-saving device used by millions worldwide. Number 5. Vulcanized rubber. Rubber used to melt in heat and crack in cold, until inventor Charles Goodyear accidentally dropped a mixture of rubber and sulfur onto a hot stove. Instead of melting, it hardened into a durable, flexible material. That mistake created vulcanized rubber, making tires, seals, and countless industrial products possible. Number 4. Artificial sweeteners. While working with coal tar derivatives in the late 1800s, a chemist forgot to wash his hands before eating dinner. He noticed an unexpected sweetness on his fingers, leading to the discovery of saccharin. This accident marked the beginning of artificial sweeteners, which would later reshape food and beverage industries. Number 3. Evidence for the Big Bang. Two scientists, attempting to eliminate mysterious background noise from a radio antenna, were frustrated by a persistent static they couldn't remove. After ruling out equipment errors and even cleaning out nesting pigeons, they realized the signal was coming from deep space. That noise turned out to be cosmic background radiation, critical evidence for the Big Bang theory. Number 2. Post-it notes. A scientist trying to create a super strong adhesive instead produced a weak glue that stuck lightly and peeled away easily. At first, it was considered a failure. Years later, the adhesive found its perfect use as reusable notes, becoming one of the most iconic office tools ever created. Number 1. Viagra. Originally developed to treat heart conditions, Viagra failed to produce the expected results during clinical trials. However, researchers noticed an entirely different and unexpected effect in patients. That accidental discovery transformed the drug into one of the most well-known medical treatments in the world. Science doesn't always move forward in straight lines. Sometimes progress comes from curiosity, sometimes from persistence, and sometimes from pure accident. These discoveries remind us that even mistakes can change the world, as long as someone is curious enough to notice them. If you enjoyed this countdown, subscribe to Decade Data for more incredible stories hidden inside science, history, and the unknown.